What's up guys? Welcome to the first 2-minute tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can drastically change the quality of your life with a few simple steps. The first step is that you need to understand that you are a product of your environment. Therefore, if you can change your circumstance, your environment, if you can change this, you can gain control over what you become and what you do. The trick is that you come into the world not able to change your circumstance or environment. You have to rely on other people to raise you and provide you into the world. You don't get born just being able to change your environment as you want, right? So the first step is being able to understand that you can change your environment. And you won't actually know what you want your environment to be or what is best for you until you have experienced a lot of different environments. So the trick is exposing yourself to as many different circumstances and environments in your home living situation as possible. Go spend time with other people. If you can, visit other countries. Change your circumstance. You will be able to then look back and compare the circumstances and how you felt. And you will understand what environment is better for you. By pursuing these environments that are better, you can learn to identify the environment that is best. All right? So the first step is to be aware that you can change the quality of your life only if you change the environment that produces you. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.